In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack, a fantastic platform for creating newsletters. Let's jump into the process of setting up and managing your publications seamlessly. First, you'll need to create a publication. Head over to Substack's main page and look for the option to start your publication. Once you're set, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on your account icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select Settings. Within your Settings menu, find and click on Create Another Publication to start a new one. Here you will need to designate a unique URL for your publication. Think about something memorable and relevant to your content. Once you've named your URL, proceed by clicking Continue. Now it's time to import your mailing list. To do this, select the appropriate file containing your email contacts and upload it to Substack. You can also manually add subscribers by entering their email addresses directly into the platform. After ensuring your subscriber list is all set, click Continue. Once that's complete, you're ready to create a new post. From your publication homepage, look for the New Post button and click on it. You'll then be prompted to choose a post type. For now, you can select a text post. Begin by entering a compelling title for your post, something that will immediately attract the attention of your readers. Follow this with a highlight which serves as a brief summary or a key point of your post. Next, you might want to add a subtitle to give readers a bit more context. Finally, dive into writing your main content right there in the body section. Once your post is ready, hit continue. You'll be asked how you want to distribute your post. You can send it to all your subscribers by selecting everyone, or limit it to just paid subscribers only based on the subscription model you're using. For comments, you can decide to allow everyone to comment or disable comments altogether. Don't forget to add relevant tags to your post to enhance discoverability. You also have the flexibility to either schedule your post for later delivery or send it immediately. Finally, ensure your post reaches everyone by clicking Send via email and the Substack app. Once satisfied, you can choose Send to everyone now to distribute your content. Adding subscription buttons is another excellent way to grow your audience, and all you need to do is click on Add Subscribe buttons. When you're all set, click Continue again to finalize everything. Remember, you can always go back and edit if something doesn't seem right. Now, you're ready to share your content with the world on Substack. Enjoy creating and good luck with your newsletter.